Hello, all. Welcome to the stream. So today we are back with the SaaS application. We have actually built the MVP one, as you guys know, and there were few bugs. I was solving the bugs because there were no electricity. That's why I'm a bit late today, but I have cope up with this. So there was a problem that you guys know. I actually placed two orders from Amazon just to test this from single email. So that single email would have been getting like converted into just one row, and this I have fixed because even though the email was one, it had two different order IDs, 60 and 69. So that is why I needed some uh, distinction between them. But while fixing this, now it it has started tracking each and every order as a two different emails. So it's just little fucked up. So I have to fix this part right now. And yesterday we actually created this page where there is a logout button. Hey, what happened? Yeah, logout button and all, and I kept the space for connected inbox list component. So this is what I have to build now. I'm thinking about it, how to build it. I have discussing over the chat with chat GPT, but still not sure. So we'll see. योगेश जाधव कीप इट अरे तुझ्यापर्यंत कधी पोहोचली मित्रा स्ट्रीम तुझ्यापर्यंत कधी पोहोचली मित्रा स्ट्रीम is my reel the reel that I posted. I guess it has reached to multiple people. I was abstaining from posting any reel. Hello Badal, how are you, man? I'll just start quickly. Let me just see today, guys. I have like increased the quality of the stream finally, and you guys can see it in 2K now. So let me know the feedback if it's really making a difference. Let me see, because my internet was 35 mbps. I have increased to 75 mbps because that was the necessary. Yeah, I can see it now. There is an option here, more than 720. Hello Badal, how are you, man? Yeah, there is 21440, which is nice. Good morning bro. 2K में चश्मा ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. पैसा दिया है भाई चश्मे के लिए, भले ही कंपनी ने दिया है पैसा, बट दिया है पैसा. गुड भैया, इन कल इन्फोसिस का गुड भैया, कल इन्फोसिस का ओए है, उसकी तैयारी. अरे ऑल द बेस्ट ब्रो, कीप प्रिपेयरिंग. यहाँ पे टाइम वेस्ट मत करो. कुछ हेल्प चाहिए तो बताओ, नहीं तो विल go and prepare for your things. Okay, so let me add this poll. Can we get guys, please do like the stream. I know I'm late today, but do like the stream. So that is what is necessary now. And I have understood one part, one new feature to simplify the process. If I go to GitHub, and the board that I have created, where I'm tracking everything that I'm working on, not working on, but the issues. So if I add any issues over here, and I just have to give, for example, open link in new tab. Okay, this is a issue that I have created. If I just copy this issue, as this is a public URL, and I paste it in the codex ChatGPT, the ChatGPT will know the reference and is solving the bugs on itself. So I don't have to do some like different extra efforts for this. So my task is now to clarify the bugs, like write the bugs in such a way that AI can understand. So I have to write the bugs in details. This is a new feature that is what I'm tracking. क्या भाई कितने राउंड्स होते हैं इंटर. अच्छा, इज आस्किंग यू. बस भैया जा ही रहा था स्ट्रीम लाइक करके. थैंक यू गाइज. नाउ यू गाइज आर रियली मेकिंग it emotional, no? Everybody is coming and liking the stream. So there is, yeah, I have seen another thing. I have placed some order for some random site. I haven't paid anything. I'm just placing some random orders, and it doesn't have a tracking status. Like, what is the status of this? From this email, you cannot see the status. It just says ordered. Order ID is this. There is this another email, and it has this ship rocket shipment tracker. So when I click on this, it opens this. So it has the status which actually I need. So on our app, it is right now impossible to show that status, and it shows unknown status, you know. So this is a discrepancy, or maybe an extra feature that I need to implement. Um, so I really need to integrate AI, because writing custom functions or anything control anything is not going to work over here, because it needs some intelligence. And because normal function, it is really difficult to extract the data from the email. But if I use some kind of a AI, or if I create some kind of a skill in that, it can easily extract the URLs from this, and check the URLs as well, if those URLs are accessible. But it's a bit tricky or bit risky. It can open each and every URL. Hmm. Let's see. Okay, let me get the codex. I have it in here. So today's few tasks I have assigned to codex. We will implement the new feature, but the bug is been assigned to codex now. So codex will help to resolve these bugs. So let me define the bug for it now. It has given this another order tracking. It says delivered, even though I'm syncing it on force, it's still wrong. uh वो ये होता है भाई, 4 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं उसमें, आपको मिनिमम एक 1.5 क्वेश्चन करने होते हैं डीएससी रोल के लिए, और उससे ज़्यादा करने पर SP L1 L2 L3 रोल। ओ अच्छा, या ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू बादल, ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू, and just shut down the YouTube and keep preparing for tomorrow's interview. Meanwhile, rest of the people can like the stream. This is like, I think I should connect my workbench over here. What does OA even mean? Ask him, bro. These are company specific information. So use Orders Hub. You guys can see this, right? Use Orders Hub and select start from orders. It still has old orders. It is not. I have to take things in my own hand. AI is like, how many? 33 rows are there. Let me connect this Docker to MySQL Workbench, because it is really difficult to read and do all the things over here. So let's create a new connection. Orders Hub Docker DB standard TCP host name. What is the host name for this? I have to like check the host name over here. Docker compose, and this one host system is 3307, but the container inside is 3306. So what should we give? 3306 or 3307? The port is I'm not sure. Let me ask. Can I connect this Docker db to my workbench, because see what's the problem, guys. I have to constantly go and look into the database. I cannot ignore the database considering AI is doing everything right. No, I have to go and see the database again and again, and workbench is far better place to check your tables. Yes, you can connect the Docker connection name, host name, localhost, and port name. Okay, 3307 because it's a host computer, because it is connecting to our host, and that host connect port is actually connecting to 3306 MySQL. So that is what it is. So let me connect this. Root username is this. Password, don't worry guys, even if you know this password you cannot do anything. I know you guys are really lazy. And default schema, do I have to give default schema? Yeah. Test connection, connection on a continue anyway, successfully made. Okay, perfect. So we are into this. Select star from orders or order. Yeah, perfect. This brand name is still wrong. I know this is gonna be really AI first project. I can see so many use cases of AI in this one, and this can become a new age kind of application that I can really show in my resume. Mm, okay, so for that, I need to start building this. So let me just commit these files so I can have a look at it once. I'll just commit these files and I'll quickly start on the feature that I have said that I want to build next, which is like merging all the accounts. So I want to give myself user an option to connect multiple email accounts, and from those email accounts, in the similar fashion how we are syncing the orders, I have to sync the orders and show it in this tab. So this is what I have to show from all the different connected email accounts. So first I'll implement this feature end to end. So be with me. What does OM mean? Online assessment zip zap. Hello, Atharva. How are you, man? What's the update? भाई AI first projects को इज्जत मिलती है. I mean, if we define it, yes sir, yes sir. Because the world is tilting towards the AI. Why not anybody see na कि uh, by the perspective of interviewer, if he sees someone's project has used AI a lot of AI, not even lot of basic things that he has used in his project, it makes a difference, you know. It makes a difference. अगर मैं किसी का interview ले रहा हूँ and if I see someone's if I have two different resumes, one is like one has normal project, maybe student management system, library some kind of a management system that we used to build before the age of AI, and now someone else has something similar kind of management but has one feature based on AI, like AI is helping out on that particular feature, so I'll obviously go for that resume, you know. भाई एक एआई प्रोजेक्ट को इज्जत मिलती है, आई मीन इफ डिफाइड बना रहा हूँ 40 के एलओसी का एआई फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट, कल दिखाता हूँ, बढ़िया भाई. शो मी योर वर्क गाइड. आई फॉरगॉट टू मेंशन द डिस्कॉर्ड यूआरएल. करो मैं कल. ए गाइस, काइंडली लाइक द स्ट्रीम. चलो, let me add this URL, Discord URL. Yeah, I posted one reel. If you guys have seen this, मेरे को तो मजा आया है ये reel बनाने में. It was it's such a stupid piece of content, but it gets really high. uh, high attention. I don't know, stupid pieces of content really work out well. Okay, back to this. I have to like first confirm with the AI key what I have to do. I'll first do this. Um, multi-order from same email. Uh, bug fix. I'll say partial because it need another way it did not work, and I have to mention the bug ID in this one. I'll so bug ID. What is the bug ID for this? Oh, it is only one. It is one of a kind. You guys can ask why have I have paraphrase whenever I comment the backend code, but not for the front end code. Don't you guys get such kind of questions? Okay, back to this where I was planning. So from existing sync API from yes exactly. So from existing sync API, I have to make the call. So if I go to controller, order controller, uh, there is this sync call. From this sync call, I have to give another call where it will go and check all the connected emails and sync all those emails. So if I can draw this, okay, I'll first draw what I want here. You guys can see this, right? You guys can see this. So see what I want to build. ये मैंने क्या समझाया था भाई जगह कहाँ है on top of this. So currently I have like this orders list that we are showing. This is orders list coming from only one Gmail account. Same Gmail account used for authentication as well. Okay, but now I want to have another thing in between. After the authentication is done, after this part is done, we will check for all the connected accounts. So a user may have multiple accounts. I'm still thinking, is it really worth the feature that I'm building? But I'll see. I started with this thought, so I should build this. So user will have X email, Y, Z, multiple emails. So an email, I have to like keep max count as well. So how many emails can be considered? How many emails user can add? So based on that, a sync call will be placed, and in this sync call, all these email will be tracked, all these emails, and from that, data will be synced and shown over here. So this is the basic thought process for this. भाई क्वेश्चन तब आएंगे जब समझ आएगा. Really, you guys. भाई क्वेश्चन तब आएंगे जब समझ आएगा. फॉर नाउ आई एम डूइंग 4 hours of DSA and 2 hours of AI project. That's good. That's good. At least you do this. Yes, whole screen is visible. Nice. Uh, is the other app allowed to show there the delivery data on your app, like Amazon, Flipkart? Yes. Yes, we are showing that data on the screen. That is the whole point. Is I don't have to go and open all the other applications from where I have placed the orders. here it is showing all the statuses, like this particular order is delivered, all these orders are delivered. Some of them got I have refunded, so it is showing return Amazon and refunded, and it's showing refunded amount as well, like 1999. That means 5 rupees what some charges that they took. So I should be aware ki it kitna paisa le. This is a small amount that does not make any difference, but in some cases the order can be large, like 50,000, 60,000, and they charge refund amount like 1,000, 2,000 rupees, and in that case we can raise the issue. So I will include all those things in coming MVPs. So this is it right now. मैं थोड़ा रूफ टॉप पे था, कुछ वॉश क्लोथ्स हैंग कर रहा था 5 मिनट. ओके टू मच इन्फॉर्मेशन. यश मिश्रा, हेलो एवरीवन. Still crying, bro. How's the corporate life, man? I don't think you are enjoying that much. Can you tell me how inheriting delivery data from their apps, from these apps? So basically, I'm not tracking the apps individually. I'm tracking the Gmail accounts. So my whole point perspective changed when I started to think about the iOS application, and that is where I have fixed one thing, that instead of checking all the notifications or all the application, that is way too much. I can simply track the email accounts, because every other person, every other application has an email connected to those accounts. And I have researched a little bit that email is the official way for any company, any e-commerce business, as official conversation. So every invoice, every order status, they are legally binded to send all the status, all the information on the email. That email can be hold valid in any part of the world. So email is the source of truth for us, and if the email has the data, our app will have the data. So it is that simple now, and based on that only I have simplified this application so much, with just four tables. Like I started with these 4 tables, now I need some more. And to your question, to answer in more depth, in the application properties, you can see application properties. There are some keywords that I am checking for these emails. So these are the keywords, you can see, subject keywords. So if these keywords, I have to it was just a prototype that I created MVP1, but as I'll move forward, I'll have to improve this logic more. But right now this is checking for these keywords from the emails. And emails, there is a search query goes into email. Instead of getting all the email data and then search, I'm just attaching all these things. Only search those emails which has these keywords mentioned in the subject, and those emails will be fetched. I get those emails ID from those emails. It comes in the JSON format I have shown you while I was building, and from that JSON object, I extract the email and convert that email into this kind of a order. So I'll show you this table. So this kind of a table that I'm making. So this all information is a simplified version of what you are getting on your email address. So this is what it is right now. So Gmail thread ID, it is the email ID for each and every email that Gmail has. Google gives us this. So this table has housekeeping columns like ID, created at, updated at, this bill amount, how much was that particular order ID cost you. So that is the bill amount. Brand name, sometimes this brand name is coming wrong when it got refunded, return at the rate Amazon. It has many small mistakes, but these are supposed to be there because it was just an MVP1. Then each paid, sometimes it shows each paid. I'll to look into this each paid, but order number is what the unique and source of truth here is. So these order numbers are there. These are unique. OTP, I want to show all the OTPs over here. Eventually none of the orders has the OTPs required. I'll have to place some order which will have the OTP and to test this particular feature. Then there is status. There are multiple statuses. So I can show you the status enum, order status Java. So these are the order status simple enums, like every order follows this: confirmed, dispatch, shipped, out for delivery, delivered, cancelled, and refunded. So none of the feature will work without the AI, that I know, because AI can understand in transit is called dispatched. Okay, so in transit is equal to dispatch. We cannot uh, convert this using some specific function, because any company can use anything, so that's up to them. Okay, I have explained too much. Aditya Mishra, Yash Mishra. Overworked, I know that. Take some rest, bro. आज एक बंदे का प्लेसमेंट हुआ, भाई ने प्लेसमेंट ले ली फाइनल. अरे से सेम कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फ्रॉम मी एज वेल. आज के स्ट्रीम के स्टार्टिंग में आया था ओल्ड व्यूअर. ओ नाइस. Nice, nice, nice. Have you guys seen the reel that I posted? I've created some reel for the first time in my life. Reel देखा क्या अतर? Okay, मेरे को let me continue where I was working. So sync service sync user ID force. This is what I have right now. But inside order sync service sync, instead of this, you change to this list of accounts. Account repository, find all user by ID and provider IDs. Okay, for connected account. First we need to actually connect multiple accounts. आप इतना लॉन्ग कैसे एक्सप्लेन करते हैं? मेरे को वो थोड़ा शॉर्ट करना पड़ेगा. आई समटाइम्स एक्सप्लेन टू मच वॉट एवर रनिंग थॉट्स आई हैव इन माई माइंड. इट शोज योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. रियली. और इट मेक्स ये जो फ्लो मेंटेन रहता है. या आई कीप टॉकिंग ब्रो. Is it good or bad that I always keep talking? Is it bad? Good? This stream has really started to reach to my friends now. I actually never promote anything to my friends कि मैं ये काम कर रहा हूँ. I always keep it private, but I can see some chats from them. Enable multiple account connection first. Make sure user can connect. Okay, so what we will do, we will first implemented profile page and logout. So I have to give this UI कि भाई implement front end. Meanwhile I'll work on the back end. So front end can work on this part. Talking too much makes you lose brain cells. Everything these days everything makes you lose brain cells, you know. Using too much AI, using too much doom scrolling, using too much mobile phones, everything is draining your brain cells. Eating too much of junk food. क्या क्या रोके भाई? Now can you build this UI feature for me? Meanwhile, I'll work on the API for this. Let it work. I hope it does not ask me for any permission. काफ़ी लोगों को नहीं पता, हम लोग एक्सप्लेनेशन इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं, और हाँ, थॉट्स को वर्ड्स देना भी तो टाइम लेता है। इसमें आपका प्रैक्टिस दिखता है, एक्सप्लेनेशन या थॉट्स को वर्ड्स देना। थॉट्स को वर्ड्स और सही फ्लो में निकलना निकलना थोड़ा प्रॉब्लमेटिक होता है समटाइम्स, वही तो सही। ओन Atharva always gives good feedback. I really appreciate this. Enable multiple accounts connection first. Make sure one user can connect more than one Gmail account. So there is one table. So if I go, I'll show you all these tables. Connected account table. So it will not have any information right now. So we अपने को इसमें information डालना है. Select star from this connected accounts. It does not have any information. It has only one my email ID. Can I change the theme in Workbench, because I really don't like this theme. Mm, Change appearance settings on Mac. I cannot. Make sure one user can connect my existing connected account. Model already supports multiple rows per user. Confirm OAuth connection stores each Gmail separately. Make sure reconnecting the same Gmail updates the account, not creates duplicates. Then sync update. Let's work on this part only, no? Let's work on the first part only. I mean, speaking is an art, and not everyone is an artist. Sometimes I really getting confused. You guys are really bakchod or really good advisors? Just a second, I got some message. For first part, you should implement a new authenticated connect account API. ये गूगल वाली चीज मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ यार, हमेशा ना। मुझे बहुत पहले एक चीज समझ आई थी, वेला बैठ के बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है मार्केट की। इवन एक्सपीरियंस भी करता है। See, bro, I might be garbage at coding, but by the age of 27, I have read 800 plus books. So nice. And you may call me an intellect, but मैं बकचोदी prefer करता हूँ. Yeah. Always intellectual people do talk in this kind of a slang that you are using. The one who has so many things to say, he also has a better way and funnier way to say that thing also. Okay, so we don't have this controller. Uh, I'll have to come up with something that is easier for you to understand over a stream. Not like you cannot understand, you can understand, you guys, but something like a rate limiter. Rate limiter was everyone's piece of cake. Like सबको अच्छा लगा था वो. So I have to bring some new, a small concept, not such a lengthy project. So connected account, this is an entity that we have. In the connected account, we have an ID, of course, the MySQL ID. Then provider in this case is Gmail. For now it's gonna be Gmail only. Then email, whatever the new email that we are connecting. Encrypted refresh token. Guys, I do you guys think ki multiple account connection is really required over here? The one who have really understood what I'm trying to do you guys think should I keep it as it is, having only one account, or should I include this option to let the users connect multiple accounts? I think this second part will make really a difference. See this feature. Do you think this is really required? Yes, as in yes, keep it or skip it. Like this, I have multiple email accounts, so I can connect multiple email accounts by clicking this plus sign. A new email account will be added, or whatever the authorization that I want. I'll take the confirmation from user, and once I get that, I'll start to sync those orders. More backup options, people happy. You are thinking as a developer, I'm asking you as a user, will you use this? Hi, GitHub mein, I guess there are multiple places this kind of thing is actually there. So we'll keep only 3 email accounts then. We'll keep some restriction. Only 3 email accounts will keep. Okay. So there is a refresh token for each and every account. Encrypted access token, expired at granted scopes. Yeah, scopes will be limited this time. And sync status. So I need a connected account controller. So let me create new file, connected account controller. I'm not using class controller. Yeah, this. Okay. So it has connected account service that we want to call. The API is connect Google. So we have everything. So it is a post mapping. So the red post mapping. Instead of this, I can call it as connect Gmail account. More specific, connect Gmail account. This is more specific, and then public API success response, connected account response. So we don't have this. Public API success response and connected account response. And what's the function name? Connect Google nahi, connect Gmail, connect Gmail account. Okay, so this is what we have. We don't have connected account response, so I need to add that. New file, connected response dot java. Okay, and this is a REST controller. We'll think about the name. Request mapping API v1 connected accounts, API v1 connected accounts, and at the rate request mapping. Okay, at the rate required args. This I don't use eventually, so let it be. Let me import this. Yeah, why it's not giving me option to import? Post mapping. ये तो मैं तो यूज करता हूँ, जहाँ मिले यूज करो। आपको सुनने के लिए मैं काफी टाइम्स वरांडे में बैठा हूँ, घर वालों सो जाते हैं, दैट्स ओ ओ भाई साहब, दिस इज नेक्स्ट लेवल डेडिकेशन ब्रो। अथर्व, आई सजेस्ट यू कि यू स्टार्ट, इवन दो यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग लाइक 17-18 घंटे पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, लेकिन वेन एवर आई एम स्ट्रीमिंग, इंस्टेड ऑफ just hanging around, you can actually practice something, solve lead code or create some project, and then you can ask me doubt, so we can तुम्हारा टाइम भी प्रोडक्टिव हो जाएगा वैसे। Is disallowed for this location? Soon, yeah, soon is better than never. What's this error? I need to have this in the, wait, I'll open IntelliJ. Because IntelliJ में we don't need to face these issues. So there is service, orders, email, candidate finder, connected account controller, this. So ये क्या कहना चाह रहा है? Post mapping not applicable to this field. Connected account controller, REST controller, request mapping is this. If I copy this complete function, and this private connected service, we have connected account service, we don't have. So let me create a package called service, and in this one I need this connected account service, connected account service. Yeah, add. Okay, and we have to mark this as @service, so that it will know this is a service, and from here to go and import class. Okay, connected account response, I have created this right now in the response folder. This should be of type order. This is wrong actually, because we are using the newer version. I have to go and create Java connected account response. It should be of type record. Add. Okay, and let's see what all things we are gonna need. Connected account response. Only these three things. Okay, and not need many things from here. Mm, import class, import, import, import. We do not have this yet. वेरी सून ये आप एडवांस बैकएंड सीख रहे हैं प्रोजेक्ट में इम्प्लीमेंट करते हुए यस जब कोई भारी आदमी आ जाता है मेरे स्ट्रीम पे मैं आपके बारे में बता दे अरे नाइस अच्छे लोगों को सी द MVP till the part MVP1 when till the time I was doing MVP1 I really wanted to test the idea quickly so that's why I created architecture by myself but I used AI heavily just to get my MVP1 there. Once I got the MVP1 there I understood this type of application can really work and hence after I finished the MVP1 for the MVP2 I have decided I'll use 30% AI and 70% by myself even if I have to copy the code from AI that I'll do instead of letting AI override everything. So if I'm doing this process like यहाँ पे जाके I'm seeing code and I'm literally just writing whatever the AI is given but it is making a mind map for me. I can understand what AI is trying to do over here and I can learn things while doing that instead of सब कुछ AI करे समझे. Okay, so JWT import class. This part I understood. What is this JWT Google account, Google Connect account request? So I have to create a request body. कॉलेज वाले ट्रिप पे जा रहे शिमला चंडीगढ़ बच्चे जाना नहीं चाहते कॉलेज वाले ट्रिप पे ले जा रहे शिमला चंडीगढ़ बच्चे जा भाई मिल रहा है जो मिल रहा है ले लो भाई कॉलेज में ए यार क्या हो गया मेरे स्ट्रीम को इज इट वर्किंग या इट्स वर्किंग लविन पांडे हेलो हेलो ब्रो हाउ आर यू मैन मैंने सजेशन दिया है वी कैन गो टुगेदर कॉलेज वालों के बिना नहीं यार ट्रिप में जाओ डोंट मेक प्लान बाय योरसेल्फ गो इन ट्रिप ट्रिप का अलग ही मजा है भाई do you guys seeing a lag in the stream do you guys seeing a lag in the stream आपका कोई कंट्री है जिसको विजिट आपका कोई कंट्री है जिसको विजिट करना चाहते हो हाँ देयर आर सो मेनी कंट्रीज दैट आई वांट टू विजिट ब्रो I'm planning to visit right now maybe some cheaper country no yeah good good what about you I'm good bro I'm good आज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं था तो we started really late stream today जस्ट मैं मूवी का टिकट निकाल ही रहा था कि मैं बोला चलो आज ब्रेक लेते और मूवी देखने जाते लेकिन तो उतने में लाइट आ गया सो आई एम बैक विद द स्ट्रीमिंग आई वांटेड टू गो टू न्यूजीलैंड या न्यूजीलैंड इज वेरी गुड ब्रो न्यूजीलैंड जैसे कोई जगह ही नहीं है भाई. There is a YouTuber called Paramveer. So he actually rented a caravan in New Zealand and he traveled the New Zealand by road. यहाँ इंडिया में अपने से नहीं हो पा रहा है. क्या बोलते हैं उसको, रोड ट्रिप. एंड दैट गाय वेंट टू न्यूजीलैंड, rented a caravan and did road trip in New Zealand, and that is really beautiful how he showed in that video. I also became fan of New Zealand. I was basically fan of New Zealand cricket team. Now I'm fan of a New Zealand country. Bro, just learn React. Suggest some projects idea, or should I learn Next.js? No, you start building something in React, bro. See, leverage the basic concepts of React. The first and foremost concept you should be completely aware of is states. So you can play with the states. For example, you want to show some kind of a animation, not even animation. Suppose there is a line. Okay, there is left part, there is right part. There are 5 different objects on the right part. On the left part there is 0, there are 0. So you have to move each and every element from left to right. How would you do in other languages, whatever the other language that you are working? This part is really simple in React. So you don't have to do anything. React always listens to the states, the React state that you have created. You just need 2 different state, and just switch it. Like इस स्टेट में से वैल्यू निकालो, दूसरे स्टेट में असाइन करो, एंड इट जस्ट मूव्स. सो बेसिक एकदम, मतलब आई एम टेलिंग यू द वेरी बेसिक जिस्ट ऑफ React. If you can understand this part now, you will really excel in React. Guys, it seems I have broken some pipeline in the office. My PR has fucked something. I have to go. Also, I'm very bad at CSS. There is any alternative? There is no alternative to CSS, and I'm not sure ki now CSS is that worth it right now, because AI is really doing the job. In the CSS also, if you can understand one concept, which is called flexbox. Flex, not even flex. So flex CSS. If you search this and don't follow the W3 schools, yes, this. So this flex is the property that you should know how to align the components. So this is the important concept. Rest to coloring, background color, ye wo sab to you will just see it on the go. Wherever you need it, you will understand that. But flex is something that you should know, because it helps you to identify and align the components if you're doing literally from the scratch. But I know nobody is not doing any CSS from scratch. पैसेंजर परम विद yes. पैसेंजर परम भाई क्या बंदा है यार, वो मस्त है यार. यात्री डॉक्टर भी मस्त है. उस यात्री डॉक्टर हैज पोस्टेड सम वीडियो ऑन द जापान. Guys, please like the stream यार. whoever is watching the stream, kindly like the stream. वो कैरन वाला आइडिया काफी बढ़िया लगता है. यस, उसके लिए पैसा भी लगता है भाई. उसके लिए न्यूजीलैंड का वीजा भी लगता है. आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी बैड एट CSS. इज देयर आंसर दैट? Good question, Levin bhai. Why are you crying, bro? Why are you crying? When I was doing React for the first time, I created one file, styles. I still maintain that file, but not to the exact. I created back then. I created the universal CSS, like row center, row align center, column left, column right, column distance between, space between. These kinds of CSS I always used to have. I used to always keep it handy because back then there was no AI. So I just used to copy that file, and wherever I'm using the CSS, I just used to use those row column, जो भी है, row column center, row center, all those things. So ये बढ़िया फ़ायदा कर देता है तुम्हारा तुम्हें सारा CSS नहीं लिखना पड़ता है, इससे तुम्हारा 90% काम हो जाता है। हम्म, सुनती भाई यात्री डॉक्टर। पीक रियलाइजेशन हो गया भाई को। भाई see, whatever the things I have used or I am aware of or I have experience of, I can really tell you what the basic minimalist thing you should do in that. Guys, kindly like the stream यार। मुझे तो फ्लेक्सबॉक्स क्रिएट रूट वेरिएबल्स काफी सही लगते थे। अच्छी बात है, सही लगते थे। ये क्या बना के दिया उसने रिक्वेस्ट बॉडी? ये रिक्वेस्ट क्यों नहीं दिया इसने? अच्छा इसने दिया है, मैं ही चूतिया हूँ, मैंने नहीं देखा। हमने रिक्वेस्ट के लिए the folder structure is fucked up over here. So there is a folder called response, there is no folder called request. So if I go and search for request, uh, वाह, इसने एक ही जगह पे पेल दिया है, which is not right, to be honest. Yeah. So let me create one folder called request. Here, go create package. Hey, package, macha. Go package request. Okay, and in this request, I need one file, Java class called connect Google Connect account request. Google Connect account request, and this is gonna be a record. Now we are using record for request and response. Yeah, add, and there will be only one server auth code. If you guys remember, I have implemented this server auth code for when I was doing the authentication. So this part is simple. Let's import this now. Import class. Now connect. What is this connected account? हाँ, connected account service में हमने कुछ बनाया ही नहीं है. It's empty. So we need to write the service now. How we will write the service? So it has codex has given us how to write. So we need 3 repositories: user repository, Google auth service, and connection service. So let's get these services, inject these services. Let's import class, import class, import class. Okay, and then connect response. Google connect Google। यार एक सेकंड, ऑफिस वाले मेरे को बहुत मैसेज कर रहे हैं, आई हैव टू रिप्लाई टू देम, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन। I don't think it's because of me that it's not working. एक सेकेंड गाइस। सपनों में आई के जाई के गोरी गुड़िया, हमरे चुलाए निंदिया। सही तो वो भी लगी थी। आई लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ ऑडियंस। सही तो वो भी लगी थी भाई। बट CSS नहीं काट के जाएगा भाई, डोंट वरी। बिकॉज वाई CSS काट के नहीं जाएगा? बिकॉज CSS डजंट हैव फंक्शंस। क्या, कितना लंबा पाइपलाइन, कितने लोगों ने मर्ज किया भाई कोड? Guys, meanwhile, please do like the stream. Bro, what is this? Deep 11 by. After 12, these kind of messages start to come up like this. Uh, Guys, I need to go. Sorry for this, but yeah, there is some office emergency. I suggest project ideas for React. I'll give you, bro. Uh, I have one agent for this. I'll give you the idea. So meanwhile, it is really urgent. I have to go. I'll connect with you. So thank you all for joining the stream. जिसने like नहीं किया, kindly like the stream. And yeah, thank you.